Good morning, sir. My name is Soysel with registration number 17 MIS0082. Now we will discuss about other software engineering and other software concepts that are used in the software industries. First, we will discuss about what is Agile. Agile is an iterative approach to project management and software development that helps teams deliver value to their customer faster and with fewer headaches. Instead of betting everything on the Big Bang launch, an agile team delivers work in small but consumable increments. Requirements, plans, and results are evaluated continuously. So teams have a natural mechanism for responding to change quickly. What do you think about agile software engineering? In agile development, design and implementation are considered to be the central activities in the software process. Design and implementation phase also incorporate other activities such as requirements, validation, and testing interview. In an agile approach, iteration occurs across activities. Therefore, the requirements and the design are developed together rather than separately. The allocation of requirements and the design planning and development is executed in a series of increments in contrast with the conventional model, where requirements gathering needs to be completed in order to proceed to the design and development phase. It gives agile development an extra level of flexibility. An agile process focuses more on code development rather than documentation. Agile software development is more than frameworks such as Scrum, Extreme Programming, or Feature-Driven Development, FTD simply known as. Agile software development is more than practices such as pair programming, test-driven development, stand-ups, planning sessions, and sprints. One thing that separates Agile from other approaches to software development is the focus on the people doing the work and how they work together. Solutions evolve through collaboration between self-organizing cross-functional teams utilizing the appropriate practices for their context. There is a big focus in the Agile software development community on collaboration and a self-organizing team. That doesn't mean that there are not managers. They are not managers. It means that teams have the ability to figure out how they are going to approach things on their own. It means that those teams are cross-functional. Those teams don't have to have specific roles involved so much as that when you get the team together, you make sure that you have all the right skills sets on the team. There still is a place for managers. Managers make sure team members have or obtain the right skill sets. Managers provide the environment that allows the team to be successful. Managers mostly step back and let their team figure out how they are going to deliver products. But they step in when their teams try but are unable to resolve issues. When most teams and organizations start doing agile software development, they focus on the practices that helps with collaboration and organizing the work, which is great. However, another key set of practices that are not as frequently followed but should be are specific technical practices that directly deal with developing software in a way that helps your team deal with uncertainty. Those technical practices are essential and something you should not overlook. Now, while coming to how well agile software concepts will be helpful for software development industries. Some of the most well-known companies in the world use an agile approach to improve the process. Some of the companies are IBM, Cisco, Microsoft, AT&T. They all use an agile approach. It's because the current pace of tech innovation can change an industry quickly or even revolutionize. Large companies that have been in business for decades often realize that they are not prepared to adapt just as quickly. So they begin to look for ways to respond changes in the market. An agile approach really shines because it is all about being able to work more collaboratively, to release something sooner, to get feedback faster. It helps large companies to streamline their process and respond when they see changes happening then and there. When Agile first hit software development, some commenters claimed it would just be a passing trend. Today, all the major software development companies use Agile. Now, Agile is flourishing outside the software industry and has proven its efficiency in many other sectors. Agile is not only used in several of the world's leading companies now, but is being applied in areas beyond software development. Some companies are applying Agile to areas within the organization such as portfolio management, project management, vendor management, contracting, etc. Thank you.